Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change pages to scroll on a Wix website. Whether you're creating a portfolio or a business site, integrating scrolling pages on Wix can offer your visitors a slick and interactive experience. Scrolling pages are an excellent way to showcase your products, tell a story, or highlight your services in a way that feels dynamic and engaging. Let's dive into the details to make this a reality. First things first, you're going to begin by heading to the Wix website editor. If you're editing a site you've already started, you'll probably know this part like the back of your hand. But just a quick refresher, make sure you're signed into your Wix account, and from your dashboard, select the site you wish to edit to enter the editor mode. Wix's user-friendly interface is perfect for beginners, so even if you're new to website building, don't worry, this process is easy to follow. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to navigate to the area where you want the page to scroll. Click on the page section of your choice directly within the Wix editor interface. This is typically the section of your site layout that you want to be more dynamic or interactive, grabbing more attention from your site visitors. For example, you might want to add horizontal scrolling to a section that features a gallery of your products or a portfolio showcase, as this can make your content stand out and encourage visitors to explore more. Next, in the Studio Editor, look for the option that allows you to add a section. It's usually at the left side of the screen. Click on Add Section, and you'll see a variety of options. For our task today, select the option that says Scroll Section, and from there, choose the horizontal scroll feature. This function will introduce several horizontal panels that appear side by side on your page. These panels are fantastically versatile, ready to display a carousel of content or a linear thought process. This is a great tool for organizing content in a visually appealing way, especially if you're working with products or images that benefit from showcasing in a horizontal format. Now here's where you get to fine-tune your settings based on the experience you want to provide. After adding your horizontal scroll section, you have the flexibility to set it either to scroll horizontally or slide using arrows. This setting depends heavily on user engagement style and design preferences. For example, if your content benefits from having visible endpoints, arrows might be the better choice, as they give users clear directions on how to interact with the content. On the other hand, a seamless horizontal scroll could be great for scenarios where you want to tell a visual story or display image galleries that encourage free-flowing exploration. Remember to consider the content you're showcasing and how your visitors will interact with this layout. It's all about enhancing the user's journey and making navigation intuitive. For instance, if you're showcasing products, a scrollable horizontal section can be a great way to let users browse through items without feeling confined to a vertical layout. Take your time to experiment with the placement and content to ensure everything looks just right. Don't forget that your goal is to make navigation as smooth and enjoyable as possible for your visitors, so be sure to test the layout before finalizing it. Once you have everything set up, don't forget to preview your changes on multiple devices to make sure the scrolling effect works smoothly on both desktop and mobile versions. It's important that your design looks great and functions properly across different screen sizes, as your visitors will likely access your site from various devices. Wix allows you to preview your site on desktop and mobile, so be sure to test both to ensure a seamless user experience. And there you have it, a simple way to make your Wix pages scroll horizontally. By adding this feature, you're not only enhancing the aesthetic and interactive aspects of your website, but also improving the user experience by providing a fun and engaging way for visitors to interact with your content. Feel free to personalize this feature by adjusting fonts, colors, and images to align with your site's theme. Customizing it to match your brand will create a more cohesive and professional look. This strategy will not only enrich the aesthetic and interactive aspects of your website, but also keep your audience engaged as they navigate through your inspiring content. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio, promoting products, or telling a story, horizontal scrolling is a powerful tool to elevate your site's design. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to check back for more tips to enhance your web design experience with Wix. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Happy editing!